What I'm about to show you will eliminate 90% of your sales tools and save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in software costs, while getting your time back to do what actually makes you money, selling. I'm Bornancin, CEO of seamless.ai. Today, I'm revealing 4 AI systems that just made your entire sales tech stack obsolete. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate your entire sales process and probably fire half of your vendors. Hit subscribe because this changes everything. Here's the truth every sales leader knows, but they won't admit. You're drowning in tools instead of actually selling and closing deals. You've got your prospecting platform, engagement tool, calling software, data providers, intent data, job changes, email, sending, CRM. The list never ends, and despite having more tools than ever, sales has never been harder. The industry created this problem on purpose. They want you to spend a ton of money on different vendors, paying multiple subscriptions, dealing with integration nightmares because that makes money. Today, that ends. So what's the solution? We just launched the complete Sales AI automation platform that works as one unified solution. This isn't about adding another tool. It's about eliminating your stack entirely. Product number 1, Data Engine. Our completely rebuilt data engine solves the biggest problem in sales: bad data. We didn't make small improvements. We rebuilt everything from scratch. Contacts grew from 500 million to 1.8 billion. Companies from 25 million to 120 million. But here's what matters: 75% improvement in accuracy. We're talking upwards of 95% accuracy rates, and we guarantee every email. If we deliver an invalid email, you automatically get your credit back. No forms, no waiting. If it bounces, credit refunded automatically. Why can we do this when others can't? Because our data is that good. Product number 2, the engagement hub called Connect. First, Connect, the AI that just made Outreach, SalesLoft, and Apollo obsolete. Here's what's revolutionary. It doesn't just send a campaign, it thinks for you. Someone mentions they need your solution on social media, we'll Connect, and our data engine detects the signal, researches the entire buying committee, creates custom campaigns for each persona, and launches Outreach automatically for you while you're sleeping. CEOs get executive messaging, CTOs get technical campaigns, procurement gets ROI focus, all personalized, all automatic. You wake up to qualified prospects in your pipeline, campaigns running 24/7, meetings being booked while you sleep with no manual work, no switching tools. Best part is Connect is live right now, and it's 100% free for all Seamless users. The next big product is Job Changes, the product that gives you an unfair timing advantage. When someone starts a new role, everything resets: budgets, vendors, tools. But this happens in the first 90 days of a new hire. Most teams find out weeks or months later when it's too late. We monitor 1.8 billion contacts in real time. So the moment someone changes jobs, you know instantly. Not when they update LinkedIn, immediately when it actually happens. You're having congratulatory conversations instead of cold calls. You're first in line for every opportunity before competitors even know the job change happened. Job Changes integrates with Connect, so when a change happens, action follows automatically. You're the first to the deal, you're the first to the sale, you're the first to the money. Product number 4, our AI Automation Agent Network. Finally, AI agents that work for you like your best sales reps 24/7 without taking breaks. They're list building, they're researching buying committees that you need to sell to, they're writing personalized campaigns. Agents literally write and send custom messages for each persona. Then our CRM enrichment agent keeps everything updated in your CRM. But here's where it gets wild. They work together. Job changes detected, list building agent finds the buying committee. Campaign agent writes personalized outreach. Connect launches campaigns automatically. While you're sleeping, qualified prospects enter your pipeline. Campaigns optimize themselves. Follow-ups never get forgotten. The results are insane. We're already seeing the impact. 2.2 billion leads researched by our users. 45 million meetings booked. 9 million deals closed, resulting in over $85 billion in revenue generated. We also have thousands of President's Club winners making $100,000 to $100 million using our platform, and you can check them out at presidentsclub.com. This is truly the iPhone moment for sales automation.
These are not 3 separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone.
Just like the iPhone made MP3 players, cameras, phones, GPS obsolete by combining everything into a powerful product. We just made your entire sales tech obsolete. The question isn't whether this will happen. It's whether you'll be a part of it or you'll be left behind. If you're using Seamless AI, log in and turn on these products right now. If you're not, join Seamless AI for free today. While other teams are juggling multiple tools, paying thousands per month, you can run everything from one simple to use AI first platform. For more strategies to grow your business, subscribe and hit that bell to stay ahead of any changes that separates top performers from everyone else. And by the way, drop your questions in the comments and let's make 2026 your best year yet. In the meantime, I want you to watch this video next.